Hello, welcome to 532 Divisadero Street. It is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath unit with extremely high ceilings, a lot of storage. It's all been renovated, and it's overall a great unit. Everything's been updated. As soon as you enter up the stairs from Divisadero, immediately to the right is one of the first bedrooms. As you can see, has 2 large closets that have windows themselves, lots of light. Continuing back is the second bedroom. As you go back, you pass a hallway closet, extremely deep, that can fit 2 people standing at least. Double pane windows throughout, which is why it's so quiet in here. You have another closet. Now the third bedroom. As you can see here, great light. It's an entire flat next to Bi-Rite, Nopa, lots of great restaurants and bars. That's the first bedroom we're walking by. Glass window looks into the kitchen. Here's a foyer closet, another hall closet, huge. And there are 2 bathrooms. As you can see, here is the first. And then the second. It's all been retiled, redone. Great detailing throughout. Continuing back is the 4th bedroom, which you can see here. And then the kitchen. There's a living room in the back. But first the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Literally premier appliances for chefs, and if you like to cook, this is perfect for you. Professional oven hood. There is a washer and dryer back there. Lots of cabinet space, as you can see, lots of storage. And now into the living room. Looks out onto a small backyard. And an inset cabinet. And now going back into the kitchen, which you can see, granite countertops. It is beautiful throughout. No detail has been overlooked. It's been great. And washer and dryer, of course, brand new. Your own water heater, so you don't have to worry about that. And here is the backyard. Now let's go back through. Washer and dryer. Here is the kitchen. There is a dishwasher. Beautiful appliances. Look at that. Lots of storage, living room. This is the 4th bedroom. Again, 2 bath. Look at that tiling. Second bath. Beautiful as well. These ceilings are so high. Hallway closet, 1 of 2. This is the first bedroom we entered with 2 closets. Hallway closet. Second bedroom, again, double pane windows. And then here is the third. So thank you so much for checking out the building. 532 Divisadero Street. please email us for an application or shoot a text to the phone number. Thank you again, and hope to see you soon.